It's really large inside. Oh, my hair. So this is my burger. So friends, over here is a new stall called Simply Laddus. Here they have besan laddus, atta. I really love it. Hello friends, this is Nick at the channel Lico Team, and today I am again at HT Palate, the food fest. Over here you can find really tasty food. And I really love HT Palate. It's really nice, and it's organized by Hindustan Times. So friends, over here is a new stall called Simply Laddus. Here they have besan laddus, atta laddus, panjiri laddus, multigrain laddus with organic jaggery, half kg box of mixed laddus, and a box of 4 laddus. So they have these things, and okay. I would love to.
Are you selling laddus or are you buying laddus?
I'm buying laddus.
Not selling laddus?
No.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have the besan laddus because I love them. It's really nice. You should come here and taste it.
You like that?
Yeah, I really love it.
Love it?
Yeah. So where are you from?
We are from Delhi only. We are
Delhi.
settled in Ghaziabad. We are getting from India.
Okay. I really love the besan laddus.
Really love our besan laddu.
Yeah.
Really love. Tell me that.
Besan laddus. Always besan laddus.
Really?
Yes.
You always love besan laddu?
Yeah.
You're a die-hard fan.
Yes. Of besan
So
laddus.
have besan laddu, I'll gift you.
Yes, I would like to.
Fantastic meeting you, young man.
you.
Lovely.
Okay.
And you can give me a ring whenever you want your besan laddu.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good. Lovely.
Thank you. So here's Kiku, the backyard Chinese box. Here you can have dim sums, Asian stir fry, noodles, combos. So I have also found another interesting shop over here. It's Dhamal Gully. Here you have street foods like burgers, pav bhaji, dal. We have wraps over here. Paneer 65 wrap, beetroot seekh kebab wrap, moong dal pakodi wraps, thali dal makhani nana roti, sarson ke saag with makki ki roti, and paneer veg, chole masala. We also let's go explore more. It's like watched the movie Aquaman yesterday, and now when I watched it, I was like, now I'm using the interesting words that were used, like explore the depths of this HT palette. Explore it. This mask is free if you go to the store of Bira. It's Bira. It's a drinks shop over here. Hey, what's this? A karate kitchen? Do we fight over here? Hiya, huh? Do we fight over here in this karate kitchen? Let's check what they have. They have veg dim sums, veg mains, veg non-veg dim sums, veg appetizers, non-veg appetizers, non-veg mains, rice and noodles. One ragdoll burger without lettuce. Without lettuce,
alright. But which patty do you want? Chicken, lamb,
veg,
fish, veg, potato or mushroom?
Potato.
Potato.
How do you color these buns over here?
This is charcoal extract. This is spinach extract. This is beetroot extract. This is turmeric. This is food color.
Okay, the blue one is food color. Everything else is natural. color. Okay, I really like this. How do you put these? Like, is this a real hot dog?
Yes.
Okay, how do you make the hot dogs? I'm really
So
interested
we
in
make
hot
our own
dogs.
breads. We pull the bread out. Then we make the sauces there.
Okay.
Put it here along with all the sauces, and this is a sauerkraut.
Okay.
You want to taste it?
No. What type of sauces do you use?
Mustard, ketchup, and
I don't know. It's just pasta. So this is my burger. It's also with this spicy fries over here. Yeah, these are really spicy. So my mother's tasting it and it's sweet mother. It's delicious, right? It's really large in size. Oh, my hair. I need a small little bite. My mouth's too small for this one. Wow. Now I've finished my burger. Now food lovers, let's move on. Hey friends, look at me. I'm climbing on my cycle. So this is a shop called The Sugar Loaf. Just reviewing, yeah. They have these pastries over here. They have brownies, they have rum cakes, they have banana things and red and chocolate cakes, brownies, hazelnut and salted caramel cakes. Yeah, so. This is a shop, Jagger Bombs. So over here they have, what are these?
These are Jagger bombs. It's made out of jaggery and dry fruits. We don't add any preservatives, no adulterants, and no added sugar.
Okay, and these are the same
These are
things.
the same. We just have two different packages.
Okay, so you just have Jagger Bombs. Is there any sample over there that we can taste?
If you'd like to taste, we have some open sample, but we don't have any to give it to you.
No, I can like, just chill. This is Jagger Bombs. They are made from
Dry
jaggery.
fruit laddus basically. No, we don't have wheat. There's no wheat. No.
So I just tried the sample. So this HT palette is really big. So it's divided in 3 parts. The first part where I ate my burger, the second part where Sugarloaf is, and the third part the Master Chef zone where I'm going. So over here is a big stage where live performances happen, and in this area it's a little bit so it's Mexican food. It's from Mexico. Yeah, it's Mexican. It's Mexican food over here. It's from Mexico, right? Yeah, it's from Mexico. This is Mexican food. It's from Mexico. Yeah, that's from Mexico. Very dear. So in this Master Chef zone, you can find many international booths. So like as I told you that Mexican stalls, food stalls, like Fat Cat over here. They have Baking Bad, Orient Heritage. So in Namaste Asia, right behind me is the big stall of Namaste Asia. Here you have sushi, here you have appetizers, here you have meal balls. So I'm again at Dhamal Gully and they're making tandoori chai. So let's ask them, how do they make it? So this place is where they make tandoori chai. तंदूरी चाय कैसे बना सकते हैं?
पूरा रखा हुआ है।
हाँ।
सुपर
आप बन जाएगा।
ओके, तो आप इसमें क्या क्या डालते हैं, लाइक सामान क्या क्या यूज करते हैं बनाने के लिए?
ये चाय मसाला है, अदरक है, इलायची है, दालचीनी है, ये सब है।
तो इस कंटेनर देखा था, उसके अंदर ये कुल्लर रखे जाते हैं, ये जो कप्स हैं, फिर इनको निकाल करके इन कुल्लर कप्स को इनके अंदर चाय, गरम चाय डालते हैं और फिर बिल्कुल ऐसे पॉप करती है, जैसे आपने वहां पे देखा था, ऊपर आ रही थी बिल्कुल और नीचे गिर रही थी थोड़ी सी। और ये है हमारी तंदूरी चाय, कैसी है? So this stall, TGKS, the Great Kebab Factory. This was also last year at HT Palate. And if you really like my video, please subscribe to my channel, make OT, and give this video a big thumbs up, and please share this video with your friends and come to HT Palate. Bye.
Dear friends, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get